discussion, we are connected. And today we are here to celebrate the marvelous achievement of the students of MPS International. Through this interview, we aim to uncover the insights, challenges, and competitions faced by our students. Now let's meet them. Congratulations. What's your good name?
My name is Ashmit. Ashmit Maheshwari, 12th F, Commerce.
So, what's your secret to achieve 95%?
I started beforehand only. I didn't wait for the last time to begin my studies. I focused on accountancy for it was the most important subject in commerce, and I gave time to all the subjects, adequate time, and I revised properly every subject. So that's the reason how I scored 95%.
What's your good name?
My name is Ujjwal Maheshwari,
And class?
12th E.
So, what's your secret to achieve good marks?
Recent years I have learned that only consistency and hard work is a key to success. I have learned in these sources and parents' blessings and our teachers. They help us too much. Without them, nothing is there.
My name is Aksham Agrawal. Thank you so much.
What's your class?
My class is class. Right now I have cleared my class 12th with a good percentage, 95.8.
So, how did you manage your time so effectively to score such a good percentage?
See, I believe in hard work, which needs patience, which needs determination, which needs dedication. You have to devote your time and your efforts for becoming something great. If you are doing any course, you need discipline. And believe in hard work. If you're doing hard work, it will pay off you surely.
Congratulations, ma'am. What's your name?
My name is Swati
And what's your ward's name?
Varda Samdhani.
So, how do you feel about her? She has topped, she has got such a good percentage. How do you feel about that?
I'm feeling so proud of her, and it's really an achievement for me and my daughter also. I don't have words to express my feelings for her.
Congratulations. What's your good name?
Hardik Khandelwal,
What class?
12th D.
So, what's the secret of your achievement?
So actually, I respect my teachers first thing, and whatever they said, I put it in my mind clearly. और उसे बस follow करते जाओ और तुम 100% successful.
How did you prepare yourself for scoring 96%?
It was my persistent efforts, hard work, time management strategy which helped me reach here. Along with that, it was 24 hours 7 teacher support which guided me through and through.
My name is Mannat Sharma.
And class?
I am studying 12th G.
And stream?
Humanities.
So, what's your favorite subject or a topic which you particularly excelled in?
I really like political science and economics, and I excelled. My highest marks are in economics.
How did you prepare yourself for that?
I think an effective timetable really helps when you are preparing for boards, and I think discipline is the key.
Navya Rathi,
What class?
12th F.
So, what's your secret? How did you achieve such a good percentage in your 12th?
Basically, I was very dedicated towards my studies throughout the examination, and the commerce department has supported us so well. And I was very strategic relating to my subjects, and I had done time management also.
Congratulations, both of you. What are your names?
Kritika Mishra.
My name is Mukshika, and we both are from 10th A.
10th A. And what were your percentage?
95.
93.
So, can you please tell us how did you manage your physical and mental health as well during the stress period?
I usually just walk as I think that I'm stressed. I just stand up, go and walk or do some meditations so that I can reduce my stress for the exams. As the last month of the exam is very stressful.
Congratulations. What's your good name?
Himika Maheshwari,
And what's your class?
12th,
Percentage?
94.4 science.
Can you please share some of the best study habits or techniques that have helped you through?
The best advice and study tip which I can give is when you come back from coaching or when you come back from school, whatever has been taught in school is to be revised by you at the same day. Otherwise, it will create a backlog and it will only pile up and you will be in backlog.
Congratulations. What's your good name?
My name is Rudrika Kuteta,
So, what class?
12th, science stream.
So, what advice would you like to give to your juniors who are aiming to be who are aiming to score good marks?
One advice I would like to give is that give your most of the time to studies, but that does not mean that you should destroy your social life. You should connect with your friends as well, in a limit of course, but give some time to your family, go for a nature walk, and that would really help you for your mental being.
Gadanand sir was the role model of my life. He always motivated me, he always inspired me, and because of him today I had got the good marks.
Good afternoon, sir. Namaskar. Congratulations. How do you feel upon having a city topper in our school?
Good afternoon. I'm feeling awesome because a city topper from MPS International is a great achievement for all of us. And all our teachers, they worked hard. They worked in a very planned way. And that is why the result has come.
Thank you, sir. Can you please share some new strategies that you're going to implement on the students?
Okay. See, the strategy is basically most of the students, after going home, when they study, they have certain doubts in their mind and they are not able to clear those doubts at the same point of time. So what I feel that we'll be conducting some remedial classes which will be online on weekly basis, where these students can ask any question from any teacher. Teachers will be available online on weekly basis, and I think this will help them to sort out their queries, their doubts on an immediate basis, which will help them to further focus on their studies. So remedial classes is one of the core step we are going to take from the very beginning of the session. Rather, I'll say that even during the holidays, these summer holidays, some of our best teachers, they will be conducting these remedial classes, and we want to utilize these holidays.
So that's a wonderful step. Can you please advise the students for the upcoming board examinations who are going to?
For upcoming board examinations, they must set their target. They must set their dreams. Dreams should be very, very big dreams, and there's nothing which is achievable on this earth. So if they decide, if they plan, they can get anything on the earth.
Thank you so much, sir.